Learning AI in 2025 is like trying to catch a moving train while the tracks are still being built. I remember last year trying 5 AI tools and I still felt left behind. And that feeling is overwhelming. There are literally 1,000 tools, 5,000 headlines, and somehow everyone on LinkedIn is suddenly an AI strategist. If you actually want to get good at this stuff and not just talk about it, this video is going to break it down to 7 real steps for you. No vague, just be curious advice, by the way. So without further ado, let's begin. First things first, let's learn how AI works. And for your information, you don't need a computer science degree, but you do need to understand how AI functions, or you'll just fall for the hype. Here's what you need to focus on: the difference between AI, ML, NLP, and LLMs, how models are trained, data in, patterns, output, and why AI doesn't think, it predicts. Before we move on any further, I'd like to give you a tooltip. Check out learnprompting.org for a free interactive walkthrough. Our second step is to pick one use case that we are interested in. Don't try to learn AI in general, because there is no general. AI is all about personalization and being specific. Pick a domain that you are already good at and you care about. Here are some example use cases for you. Marketing, AI for copywriting, audience insights and scheduling, design, visual prototyping and UI suggestions, and of course, education, GPT-powered tutoring bots. Now I want to tell you a mini story. A real estate agent used ChatGPT and Claude to automate listings, pricing analysis, and email replies, and saved 10 hours a week. That's huge. Step number 3 is mastering prompting like a skill. Prompting isn't saying,
"Write me a blog post."
That's not how it works. It's context, structure, and intent. You need to learn to set roles and tone, like saying, act as a financial advisor, provide examples, iterate, and refine. Here's a prompt example.
"Give me a marketing plan."
Write this instead. Act as a B2B SaaS strategist. Product is X, budget is 10K a month, audience is Y. 3-month ad and content plan with KPIs. Treat prompting like keyboard shortcuts in Excel. Small skill, big leverage. Step 4 is to use the right tools. You don't need like 20 or 30 tools, by the way. Just 2 or 3 that help you build muscle would be enough. Here are the tool clusters: chat and writing, Magai and Notion AI, workflows and builders, Mind Studio and Zapier AI. Last but not least, understanding models, Cohere Embed Playground. Step 5 is to build a small project. You don't learn AI, you just build with it. Here are some project ideas. Chatbot for your portfolio, automate part of your job, and use GPT to analyze and cluster customer feedback. Let's hear our next mini story. A junior PM built a tool that auto-summarizes reviews, and now her team just ended up using it weekly. So your project doesn't have to be flashy, it just needs to be real and authentic. Step 6 is really important, which is understanding your limits. AI sounds smart for sure, but it'll lie with confidence. So watch for hallucinations, bias, and over-trusting confident outputs. So what you need to do here is to check yourself all the time. Always validate your outputs. Ask yourself this: what is the cost of being wrong? Which leads to our next and last step. Stay current without burning out. AI is moving really fast, but you don't need to chase every model out there, obviously. Here's a stay smart system for you. You can follow 1 to 2 newsletters, like Ben's Bites or TLDR AI. You can watch 1 to 2 videos weekly. Hello, I'm definitely not insinuating anything. You know what I mean, you're smart. And what you could do is you can join one small community, like Reddit, Discord, or Slack. So guys, you see, AI is the new literacy, and we all need it. But that doesn't mean you need to master every single thing you hear or see about it. Just stay fluent. Focus on what's useful. Go hands-on, stay curious, not frantic. If this video helped, please don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and of course, drop a comment down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next week.